Hello students, this is Mr. Prakash and today you will study here fourth lesson of your main book, that is First Flight, and the name of the lesson is From the Diary of Anne Frank. Students, it is extracted from a novel, The Diary of a Young Girl. Basically it was an autobiography that was in the form of diary writing, and later on it was published and it became famous worldwide as it shows how the life was at the time of World War II. Students, you know very well about Adolf Hitler and Nazism. Adolf Hitler was very ambitious person and he wanted a pure race, that he belonged to Catholic, and in his country everyone should be Catholic. He wanted so it was the rise of Nazism, that other religious people like Jews and other religious persons were killed brutally. They were kept in concentration center where they were burnt or they were given electric shocks. It was the same time when a young girl named Anneliese Marie, commonly known as Anne Frank, the girl wrote it in the form of diary entry. The diary was given by his father on her 13th birthday. Her family, her 4 friends, and she had been in a secret place in her father's office, and she had lived there for 2 years, and there only she wrote her diary. After her death, the diary was collected and her father published it. Students, it is not the whole story which she has written. It is a part of her life. It is here given a student life of hers. She tells here that she had many students. There were many people, but none was there whom she could say a true friend. So she tells that paper has more patience than people. It means that no one can listen so patiently as a diary can. So she called her diary her best friend and she named the diary as Kitty. She started hesitantly, as he thought earlier that no one would prefer to hear a young little girl. Here she tells us about her school life, that the result of the exams was about to come, and every student was worried about the result. She was sure all the subject except mathematics, and she said that almost quarter of the class would be failed because they did not present any home assignment. She recalls the incident of her class about her mathematics teacher, Mr. Keesing. He was very much annoyed at her talkative nature. So, as a punishment, he asked to write an essay on the topic chatterbox, which she represented in a very positive attitude, that it was the natural attribute of hers, as her mother was also talkative. However, in another incident, she tells that he again assigned her a homework to write an essay over the topic quack quack quack, said Miss Chatterbox. It was also as punishment, and this time her friend helped her in writing the essay in the form of poetry. It was also in amusing manner, and Mr. Keesing recited it aloud in the class and laughed also. After that, he forbade her about her talkative nature, as he came to know that it was her natural attribute. So students, what you have learned from the lesson, a student must be talkative, not much talkative, but be talkative and feel joyous for making yourself mentally fit. So be happy and be mentally fit.